Today, Everlove News is right here at Kumasi Mencham Palace. That is the Otumfuo's Palace. What are we doing? We are here to witness a funeral of the Otumfuo Osei Tutu, which is one of the great occasions in the Ashanti region. Everlove News made it possible to be here at the Palace of Otumfuo Osei Tutu, and we are here to capture everything that is going on. We have so many dignitaries over here. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa, Vice President, was here, and so many dignitaries. Former President Kufuor was here, and then the former President J.J. Rawlings was there. Great men were able to be here today, and what we are seeing today has been to be a great performance of the Ashanti Kingdom. It is one of the great things. Volta regions have been able to bring a delegation from Volta region to this place, and it's going to be awesome one. Today, it is one of the greatest things, and Volta region have been able to witness what's happening here at Otumfuo's Osei Tutu's Palace. It is a great opportunity to be here at Everlove News, Everlove TV. Remember to subscribe to this channel and make it one of the greatest one of all. Thank you.
Ata papa ina baya lekete snap petu me no orisi box at papa
Over with the border, over with the border.
Arme bro, let me more over him. So no no bro so sit here. I'm to so some people what I say we so to me tira. Ya mo ba mo do ma pro aba. Say better what you see what I say. Oba ya snap petu sia. Ya mo to me fo e po arme bro, no me jam me say no kwa no. Omo so mo no tira no ma for me ya wada. Ada wi ani asuma stop pan. Okwa. To for the say.
Prudential Bank. So, my this is there 1 million. Can you scan?
All right.
I'm going to say the Kumasi Koso, on by a Montuma for poor, start pen to the movement, I'm on the ball, we say, Tanya, we never make before the mass.